Hi students, this session is for class 7 subject mathematics chapter 2 fractions topic multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to cover the topics are definition of fractions, types of fractions, conversion, addition and subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions and exercise problems. Let's see definition of fractions. Fraction means part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of your whole object. Look at picture. This is pizza. Everyone like. You buy one pizza for your family. Here, this pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. You take one piece from that. What is the fraction format here? Fraction means part of a whole. Your whole part is divided into 8 equal parts. That means 8 is denominator here. That is lower part. How many pieces do you take? You take one piece from that. So 1 is numerator here. That is upper part. Here 1 indicates number of equal parts considered. 8 indicates total number of equal part, the whole divided into. Therefore 1 is numerator, 8 is denominator. Let's see another one example. Here given one image. This one divided into 2 equal parts. Therefore 2 is denominator. Here one part is colored. So 1 is numerator. Therefore 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Therefore fraction means part of a whole. What is fraction? Look at picture. Here given one watermelon. Everyone like. Fraction means part of a whole. Here one watermelon is divided into 8 equal parts. So what is fraction format? 1 is numerator. Here divided into 8 equal parts. That is 8 is denominator. The fraction format is 1 by 8. Let's see types of fraction. There are 3 types. First one, proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction means a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Third one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Let's see the example of proper fraction. Example 1 by 5 and 4 by 7. Here numerator is less than the denominator. Let's see the example of improper fraction. Example 11 by 8 and 5 by 3. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's see the example of mixed fraction. Example 7 1 by 3 and 3 by 7. Here 7 is whole number, 1 by 3 is proper fraction, and also same as second example. Conversion of fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Use the formula. Let's see the example. 5 2 divided by 7. Here 5 is whole number, 2 is numerator, 7 is denominator. Let us find the solution. 5 2 by 7, which is equal to, substitute the value, whole number 5 into denominator 7 plus numerator 2 divided by denominator. The expression is 5 into 7 plus 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 divided by 7. We get, now we can add the values, 35 plus 2, we get 37 divided by 7. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Conversion of fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Formula: mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. Let us see the example. 11 divided by 2. This is improper fraction. Let us find the solution. 11 divided by 2. Let us do divide. 11 is dividend, 2 is divisor. 5 2s are 10. Now subtract the values. 11 minus 10, we get 1. Here 1 is remainder. Quotient is equal to 5. Remainder is equal to 1. Divisor is equal to 2. So mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. So here quotient is 5. Remainder is 1. Divisor is 2. So we get 5 1 by 2. Addition and subtraction of fraction. Let's see addition of the fraction. Addition of the fraction have like fraction and unlike fraction. Let's see like fraction. What is like fraction? Like fraction means same denominators. Let's see the example. 4 divided by 5 plus 2 divided by 5. Here denominators are same, 5. So we can add it easily, which is equal to 4 plus 2, 5 taken common. So we get 4 plus 2 divided by 5. Now we can add the values. 4 plus 2, 6 by 5. We get 6 by 5. Let's see unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Unlike fraction means different denominators. Let's see the example. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. See the denominators. Denominators are different. So unlike fraction means different denominator. Different denominators given means we have to make the cross multiple or take a LCM. Here do cross multiple. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by 3 2s are 6. We get 8 plus 9 by 6. Now we can add the values. 8 plus 9, 17 by 6. We get 17 by 6. Let's see subtraction of fraction. Here also same as addition. Like fraction. Let's see the example. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. It is equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 5. 4 minus 2, we get 2. Which is equal to 2 by 5. Let's see unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means different denominators. Let's see the example. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2. We get, now here make the cross multiple. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So we get 8 minus 9 divided by 6. Here different denominators. So only we have to make the cross multiple. Now check the values. Different sign. Different sign means subtract and place the greater number sign. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 9 is the greater number. That sign minus. We get minus 1 by 6. Multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. How to tell? Let's see the example. Look at the image. Here given 3 plates. Each plate have 5 biscuits. What is the total biscuit? 5 plus 5 plus 5. Totally we get 15 biscuits. This is addition. Here given 3 plates. Each plate have 5 biscuits. So 5 3s are 15. This is multiplication. Let's see the another one example. Multiplication is the operation of repeated addition. Here given apples. Here given 3 columns. Each column have 4 apples. So now again we can add it. 4 plus 4 plus 4. We get 12 apples. This is addition. Here each column have 4 apples. Here given 3 columns. So 4 3s are 12. That is multiplication. So multiplication is repeated addition. Let's see the multiplication of fraction. First one, fraction multiplied by a whole number. Second one, fraction as an operator. Third one, fraction multiplied by a fraction. Multiplication of fraction. First one, fraction multiplied by a whole number. Let's see the example. 2 by 10 multiple with 12. Here 2 by 10 is fraction, 12 is whole number. Let us find the solution. 2 by 10 multiple with 12. Here 2 is numerator, 10 is denominator, 12 is whole number, which is equal to numerator multiple with whole number by denominator. The expression is 2 into 12 divided by 10. Now cancel the common factor. Now cancel 10 and 12. Take 2 table. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. The remaining 2 into 6 divided by 5. So now multiply the values. 2 into 6 we get 12. So 12 by 5. The answer is 12 by 5. Let's see another one example. 12 3 by 4 into 16. Here 12 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction multiplied by a whole number is 16. Let us find the solution. 12 3 by 4 into 16. Now first mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. How to convert? Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 3, 51 by 4. The expression is 51 by 4 into 16. Now 51 is numerator, 4 is denominator, 16 is whole number. Now multiply with numerator into whole number by denominator. We get 51 into 16 divided by 4. Now cancel the common factor. 4 and 16 are cancelled. Take 4 table. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So we get 51 into 4. Now multiply the values. 51 into 4. 204. The final answer is 204. Let's see fraction as an operator. Operator of means multiplication. Let's see example. 1 by 2 of 20. Here 1 by 2 is fraction. 20 is whole number. Of means multiplication. Let us find the solution. 1 by 2 of 20. That means 1 by 2. Of means use the multiple sign. Multiple with 20. Now 1 is numerator. 2 is denominator. 20 is whole number. Now numerator multiple with whole number by a denominator. So we get 1 into 20 divided by 2. Now cancel the common factor. 2 and 20. Here 2 is the, you take 2, 1 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20. We get 1 into 10, 1 10s are 10. Let's see another one example, 9 3 by 5 of 15 liters. This is mixed fraction 9 3 by 5 of 15 liters. So let us find the solution. 9 3 by 5 of 15 liters. First, mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Whole number multiple with denominator. 9 5s are 48 plus add with numerator plus 3. We get 48 divided by denominator. Half means multiplication 15. So we get 48 divided by 5 into 15. Now get the expression 48 into 15 divided by 5. Here cancel the common factors. Take 5 table, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Remaining 48 into 3. 48 into 3 is 144. Let's see fraction multiplied by a fraction. That means a by b into p by q. It can be written as a into p divided by b into q. Let's see the example. 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. Here given 7 by 15 is fraction multiplied by another fraction 10 by 11. Let us find the solution. 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. It can be written as 7 into 10 divided by 15 into 11. Now cancel the common factors. 15 and 10. Take 5 table. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Remaining 7 into 2 divided by 3 into 11. Now multiply the values. 7 2s are 14. 3 11s are 33. Which is equal to 14 divided by 33. Let's see another one example. 4 4 by 9 into 4 3 by 8. Both are mixed fraction. First mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Let us find the solution. 4 4 by 9 into 4 3 by 8, which is equal to 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 4 40. We get 40 by 9 into 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 35 by 8. It can be written as 40 into 35 divided by 9 into 8. Now cancel the common factor. Take 8 table. 1 8s are 8. 5 8s are 40. So remaining 5 into 35 divided by 9 into 1. We get 5 into 35 is 175 divided by 9. This is mixed fraction. So answer also convert into mixed fraction. So 175 is divided, 9 is divisor. We get 19 4 by 9. Answer is 19 4 by 9. Let's see exercise 2.1, third Roman. Find the product. First one, 5 by 18 into 24. Let us find the solution. 5 by 18 is fraction into 24 is a whole number. Now we have to multiply the values. It can be written as 5 into 24 divided by 18. Now cancel the common factor. 18 and 24. Take 6 table. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. So which is equal to remaining 5 into 4 divided by 3. Now multiply the values. 5 4s are 20 by 3. We get 20 by 3. Now improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 20 is dividend, 3 is divisor. Now we can divide. We get 6 2 by 3. 6 is whole number. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Let's see another one example. Fourth one. 2 3 by 8 into 40. This is first one is mixed fraction. Multiple with whole number. Let us find the solution. 2 3 by 8 into 40. First, mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19 by 8 into 40. It can be written as 19 into 40 divided by 8. Now cancel the common factor. Take 8 table. 1 8s are 8. 5 8s are 40. We get 19 into 5. 19 into 5 are 95. The final answer is 95. Fourth one, find the values of sine cosine 6 by 7 of 35. Here, operator of means multiplication. As you know, let us find the solution. 6 by 7 of 35, which is equal to 6 by 7 into 35. It can be written as 6 into 35 by 7. Now cancel the common factor. 7 and 35. Take 7 table. 1 7s are 7. 5 7s are 35. Remaining 6 into 5. So now multiply the value. 6 5s are 30. Answer is 30. Let us see third cosine. 1 2 by 3 of 15 liters. Let us find the solution. 1 2 by 3 of 15 liter, which is equal to, so mixed fraction first convert into improper. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 of means multiple into 15. We get 5 by 3 into 15. It can be written as 5 into 15 by 3. Cancel the common factor. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. So remaining 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. That means 25 liters. Fifth one, solve the following. First one, a meter of cloth cost rupees 16 1 by 2. Find the cost of 8 3 by 4 meter of the cloth. Let us find the solution. First we write the statement as cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to 16 1 by 2. Cost of 8 3 by 4 meter of the cloth. We know 1 meter of the cloth rate. We have to find 8 3 by 4 meter of the cloth rate. Therefore, which is equal to 8 3 by 4 into 16 1 by 2. Both are mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper fraction. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35 by 4 into 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 by 2. It can be written as 35 into 33 divided by 4 into 2. Now we have to multiply the values. 35 into 33 is we get 1155. 4 2s are 8 by 8. Now we can divide it. 1155 is dividend. 8 is divisor. We get the cost of 8 3 by 4 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 144 3 by 8 rupees. Second one, which is greater, 1/4 of rupees 48 or 1/5 of rupees 60. Let us find the solution. 1/4 of rupees 48. 1/4 means 1 by 4. Of means multiplication. So we get 1 by 4 into 48. Now cancel the common factor. 4 and 48. 1 4s are 4. 12 4s are 48. Remaining 1 into 12. 1 12s are 12. Let's see. 1/5 of rupees 60. 1/5 means 1 by 5. Half means multiplication into 60. That is 1 by 5 into 60. Cancel the common factor. 1 5s are 5. 12 5s are 60. Is equal to 1 into 12. 1 12s are 12. Now compare the values. 1/4 of rupees 48 equal to 12. 1/5 of rupees 60 equal to 12. Therefore, both are equal. Third one, a truck covers a certain distance at a speed of 45 2 by 3 km per hour. What is the distance that it covers in 6 hours at the same speed? Let us find the solution. Distance covered by a truck in 1 hour is equal to 45 2 by 3 kilometer. This is mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper. So we get 137 divided by 3 kilometer. Distance covered by a truck in 6 hours. We know 1 hour equal to 45 2 by 3 kilometer. We have to find 6 hours. That means 137 divided by 3 into 6. It can be written as 137 into 6 divided by 3. Cancel the common factors. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. We get 137 into 2. 137 into 2s are, we get 274 kilometer. That means distance covered by a truck in 6 hours, 274 kilometer. Thank you, students.